Hey everybody, what's up? I got one of those there Pokeball tins, and specifically it's the A22 tin. I couldn't quite find out what's supposed to be in here. I know the C22s might have Evolving Skies. I'm not really sure about this. We're gonna find out together. There we go. All right, moment of truth. What's in here? Oh, 4 packs. I didn't realize that. I thought it was 3. All right, what do we got? We got Scarlet Violet. We got Scarlet Violet. We got Obsidian Flame. And we got Obsidian Flame. Okay. All right, noted. A22 doesn't necessarily have Evolving Skies, because it clearly doesn't here. So I guess let's open them. Let's go quick. Oh, okay. I'm constantly doing this trick wrong. So let's get right to it. Squawkabilly, Primeape, Armorage. There's that stuff. One? Is it one? Okay, there we go. Growlithe, Shuppet, Tandemaus, Smoliv, Spirit Bomb, Ultra Ball, Espartha, Capsakid, Bruxish, and Arcanine EX. Okay, that's shiny enough. I like that. Obsidian Flame 1. Alright, Grass, Litwick again, Dino, Charmander, Dratini, Lapras, Masquerain, Gumshoe, another Armorage, Gumshoe, and SQEX. Okay, that's another okay card. We'll go with that. And then the last Obsidian Flame. It's actually the first Obsidian Flame packs I've opened, so it's kind of fun. Alright, we got Basic Energy, Papillitoad, Zigzagoon, Scyther, Meltan, Stunfish, Salazzle, Wugtrio, Bunnelby, Charmeleon, and Tyranitar EX. Oh, okay. Alright. That was a decent Pokeball. I'd pick it up if you see it, you know. Alright, bye.